when we got back, there's a severe thunderstorm warning right now. Let's see how it is. I think this is gonna turn into hail later. Go, go, go! I think it's already turning into hail. Oh crap, I think it's hail. I think it's a plastic bullet-sized hail. We're gonna check in later. Oh! Look at it!
Open the door.
Alright, look at it. Look how much water is falling on our house. Yep. I think I just saw, like, when I was biking up through the valley, I think it was like this wedge shape. I think it was something suspicious, but I don't know. We'll have to go check on the weather network later, so we'll check in later. 5 to 10 minutes of showering. This is what I got to. Yep. You can definitely hear the thunder. All right. Let me get back to whatever I'm doing and then I'll update you. Oh. All right.